This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python language in mobile. First, select a reliable Python coding app from your App Store. Ensure your mobile device has at least 100 megabytes of free storage for the app and your projects. Download and install it, then take a few minutes to explore its interface. Understanding the layout will make your learning journey much smoother and more efficient from the very beginning. Once set up, dive into Python's core concepts. Start with variables, data types, and basic operations. Many mobile apps offer interactive tutorials that guide you through these initial steps. Practice writing small code snippets, like a simple Hello World program, to solidify your understanding. Experiment with loops and conditional statements to see how they control program flow. To advance, explore external resources. Many online courses and Python documentation are mobile-friendly, offering deeper insights. Join online coding communities or forums accessible from your phone. They provide excellent support and challenges. Start working on small, personal projects, perhaps a simple calculator or a text-based game, to apply what you have learned. A portable keyboard can significantly enhance your coding experience. For effective mobile learning, consistency is key. Dedicate 15 to 30 minutes each day to practice. Break down larger coding problems into smaller, more manageable tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Regularly review your written code to identify areas for improvement and reinforce your understanding. Remember to celebrate every small achievement. It keeps your motivation high as you progress on your Python journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.